Want to get paid smoothly and keep your Etsy shop finances organized? Then stick around because in the next minute, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your bank account to Etsy using Plaid. First, log into your Etsy account and head over to your shop manager on the left-hand side. Click on Finances, then select Payment Settings. This is where you manage how you get paid. Look for the option that says something like Connect with Plaid or Verify with Plaid. Click on that button. This will initiate the secure connection process. You'll now be redirected to Plaid's secure interface. Here, you'll see a list of banks. Search for your bank either by name or by using the search bar. Once you've found your bank, select it. You'll then be prompted to enter your online banking username and password. This information is securely transmitted to your bank through Plaid and is never stored by Etsy or Plaid. Depending on your bank, you may be required to complete multi-factor authentication. This code involves entering a security code sent to your phone or answering a security question. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After successfully authenticating, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been securely linked to your Etsy shop. Now, you'll be redirected back to your Etsy payment settings page. You should see your bank account information displayed, confirming the connection. And that's it. By using Plaid, you've securely connected your bank account to Etsy, streamlining your payment process and making financial management a breeze. Happy selling!